Today we're going to make some fraction strips. All you need is a sheet of white paper that is 8.5 by 11 inches, which is the standard sheet that you can put into printers and that sort of thing, along with one pencil, one pair of scissors, and 9 different colors of markers. Our first step is to make fraction strips. We are going to make 9 today. I want you to place your sheet of paper on your table or your surface, and I want you to place it vertically instead of horizontally. This is how your paper should be standing. I would like you to then divide it into 9 even strips. All of them should be similar, or it would be better if they were the same sizes. These strips should be cut out and placed like so. We have number 1, and I'll just clone it so that you can see, 2, 3, and so on. So you should have 9 of these in the table in front of you. I already have the first strip completed, and the same as the one we can see here, and it's labeled as 1, which is a whole number. I would like you to take your next strip, and we're going to cut it in half. So I'm going to put 2 of these down, like so. So what you can do is fold your strip in half, and then cut it where the fold is. Next, I'd like you to label it just as I have done here. You may also color it a color like pink or purple to be able to differentiate it from the others. Next, I'd like you to grab the third strip and fold it into 3 even parts. It should look like this. Next, I'd like you to label it just as I have done, and you can color it in an orange color, just as you can see here. Next, I want you to grab your fourth strip, and we're going to make 1/4 or 1/4. We're going to make 4 of them, which means you can fold your sheet in half or your strip in half and then fold it in half again. This is what it should look like. As we have done with the other ones, I'd like you to label it. So we are labeling these ones 1/4. And I would also like you to color it in a different color, like yellow. As you can see, I have finished this row as well. You have to divide your strip into 5 even parts. Once you have done that, you can label them 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and 1/5. Make sure to color it in a different color. So for this one, you could color it in green. I have moved on to do my 1/6, so you should have 6 of them. You can divide it in 3 and then 3 again if you want. Next, you have to label and color it a different color, so you could color it a light blue color. I would like you to continue until you finish the chart. As you can see, they get smaller and smaller and more pieces as you move along. As you can see here, I have almost finished making the chart. I have not done the 1/12, but I'm sure you get the idea. You can use these fraction strips to help you solve problems. I have another video you can look at which will compare 2 different fractions and how you can use the fraction strips with them. But just quickly, I would like to show you that this 1/2 and 1/2 can fit to make 1 whole. The same goes for 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. It will make 1 whole. And we can do the same for 1/4 and 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. As you can see, the pattern will continue and continue to make 1 whole number. If you have 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and 1/5, and 1/5, that will still make 1 whole.